Well, what I like about fireworks is it can be transformed into a piece of art, although it is an ancient instrument, okay, of many, many, many different elements. But all of these little elements can be mixed together and form a finale of fireworks with a lot of symmetry, a lot of beautiful coloring and layering. We have 3 barges, a total of 4.5 tons of explosives. Each year we have to come up with new things. This year we have the monkey face. It's a custom product. In 1996 and 1997, these are the years that I enter into the firework displays. I think the most memorable year is 1997. It's gotta be. Because that's the year the British was trying to leave Hong Kong, and I did a few displays before they left Hong Kong. My control panel is actually in Hong Kong Cultural Center, so I'm able to see fireworks in front of me and be able to hear the background, the roaring sound, the cheering sound of the crowd behind me. I feel honored. Chinese New Year with fireworks is always the tradition. You know, it's the root of the culture that you have to celebrate Chinese New Year with fireworks.